Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to create a beat in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application if you haven't already, and after opening it up guys, you'll be greeted by the main page where you need to go ahead and log into your account. So if you haven't already, go ahead and create a new account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the trending videos and the posts by other users, and now we can get started. So this is how you create your first beat. What you want to do is click the plus button right here, the bottom part of the screen. In the middle, click the big plus button. That's going to open up your studio. So here you can go ahead and get started with either creating a new drum machine, you can import a file, you can record yourself if you want to sing, and so on. Basically, you can just go ahead and open up your studio by clicking the button, and now we can get started with creating what we want. So we have the drum machine guys, that's going to enable us to make beats in seconds. So this is the option we want to use. Click on the drum machine if you do not already have your own beat that you want, and now we can go ahead and select what kind of beat we want: basic, dark trap, classic house, and so on. Select whatever you want and get started with creating your own beat. It's going to be available right here and you'll be able to preview how it sounds. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.